Alright, so we took a little Uwharrie excursion today. We went by Bigfoot's Bar and Grill. Then we went to the Welcome Uwharrie Center. Then we went to the Uwharrie Mercantile. Drove down some dirt roads, Cox Mill Road, I think. And then now we are at the Pisgah Covered Bridge. And the kids are going crazy. Junie, say hi to the camera. And Aspen is up there screaming. Aspen, wait! But there's so much to do out here. And it's a day trip from Greensboro, from Winston, from Charlotte, from Raleigh, from Durham. Day trip from all of those. Fayetteville, day trip. Like, wake up in the morning at 8, drive out here, be done by like 6, drive home. Or you could stay the weekend at the glamp site and go see all the stuff, because there's so much stuff you can't even do it. You can't even do it in one day. It's a week's worth of stuff to see, actually. So come stay for several weekends. Anywho, just wanted to give an update. Let y'all see what there is to see around here besides just being at the glamp site.